Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to go back to my roots a little bit here on YouTube, and I am going to create a from scratch spread. This will be for my everyday planning. I'm going to be using this digital clip art that you can use as stickers or use in your journal, however you want to use it. This is a digital from CHELA Creates, and I will leave the link and the discount code in the description box below. So I'm going to try and keep it very simple. I'm going to use a few items from this. And then I also pulled out my old Happy Planner stamps. I'm going to use the numbers here. This is what is included with this. I don't know if this is still available. This is from 2017. And let's see. I pulled out this thin washi to divide my page. I'm not sure that I'm actually going to use it, but we shall see. And I have this day of the week washi tape from Rose Colored Days. Okay, let's get started. So I've already cut my paper down to the size that I wanted. This is dot grid paper, just plain paper with dot grid on it that I printed myself. I'm going to do these horizontal. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, divide the page. So I've marked it into 4 equal sections. And I didn't really want to do it that way, but I think that's going to help me with the stamping. So I'll do it this way. I didn't even really want to go all the way across with it either. And this tape is going to give me a fit, so I'm just going to do it like that because it's so thin that it doesn't want to cut with the ruler. So I'm going to end up cutting it with my scissors once I get it down. And this is part of a set. This tape is part of a set that I got from Michael's a couple years ago, maybe. We got our 4 boxes per page, so we can do notes or this week up here. I like to do Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Or you could start with Monday here and have a next week area down here. I just pretty much prefer Monday through Wednesday on one page. So that goes back to my beginnings in planning where you did the midweek spread. I don't even really see that anymore. Let's put down the days of the week. Do that like that for now. And I'm going to put them down the side like this. The days of the week. So I'm thinking of doing more crafting videos and less planning videos. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking of moving in that direction for the new year. So I'm just curious. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And also let me know if you checked out my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. It's linked below. Are you subscribed over there? If you're not, you might want to. Or you could go check it out and see if there's anything you might be interested in. That would be great. So now that I pulled out the stamps, kind of feel like I don't want to use them. Okay, but I'm still going to try it. Okay. So there's our days of the week done. Let's get the stamps. This is the week of the 5th through the 11th. Let's get the stamps out that we'll need. So what I usually do is lay it down on my desk and then place the block on it. That way I'm not stretching it or warping the way that it's supposed to go, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this scrap paper from when I trimmed these down and test out these inks. I don't think Distress ink is that great for stamping. Let's try the red. But I have been using it more lately, or like in other projects. And I have it here on my desk. So let's see how it does on this paper. I think that's good. It's going to be very traditional. I'll keep this to stamp off on. Oop. I got butter fingers today. And since I'm going to be gluing this down on the page in my Stalogy, it doesn't matter if it bleeds through or anything like that. Okay. Let's see if I can do it this way without having to pick up the stamp pad. And of course I got some on the edge. Just wipe that off. There is a little shadowing, but it's not really bleeding through. Well, I guess you could call that bleed through, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. All right. The 11 is going to be difficult. Okay, I did it. I was worried about the 11. Okay, I'm going to put these up and then we shall proceed. Okay, I think I'm going to use one of my notes. The large notes sticker scripts. Or can I use this? Maybe I can use this. If it's cut properly. Yeah, let's use this. Change of plans instantly. I'm going to put that, I think I'll put it up here because it's not green. It won't go with everything going in the other direction. All right. These are a little large for this layout, but I'm using them anyway. So I'm going to use my favorite, the truck with the Christmas tree, the vintage truck up there. Not a lot happened this week. I'm kind of back planning this or going back. We had kind of a little Christmas party for the grandkids at my dad's house. So I think I'm going to do something for that. And I'll use this gift here. So I guess I can use the Christmas tree for that. Okay. Let me see if I can at least get a doll in here. I don't think I can, but let's see. So let's put her here. I think that works. So again, these are from CHELA Creates. All the information will be below. I'm going to go in with some script stickers. And I'm going to do, I didn't mean to bring both of these out. Got some Happy Mail yesterday, so I'm going to use that. I also got Happy Mail on Thursday. Oops. I just can't put down a straight sticker anymore. And I didn't do the post office run yet. Maybe it'll get done today. So I have trash day here on Thursday. The lawn man came too, but I don't think I have a lawnmower sticker in here. Let's see what I have in the icons. I thought I had one for lawn, but maybe I don't. I don't know. Use the envelopes for Happy Mail. Had payday on Monday and Wednesday. So I'll put the icon and then come back and put the text, I guess. Let's see. Listen to an audiobook Saturday and Sunday. So that is it for the icon stickers. I'm gonna put laundry day right there. Can barely see that. Now let's go back to this. All right, let's look in here. I'm gonna use this plan next week. I already did the laundry day. Let's use these paydays. Ooh, I got a lot of those. I need to start using these more. I'm gonna put this green trash can for recycling. I washed my hair, might as well use that last sticker. Let's do it. This is from Crafting by the Pound. Finish that sheet. Oh, I only have one blood work left, and I had blood work twice. I need to print and cut some more of those. I think I have the digitals. Okay. Wow. Okay. I need to start using my pink book more again. All right. Let's do this. So I have blood work on Monday. Put these paydays down. And the plan next week. What was that I washed my hair? I think it was Wednesday night. Pretty sure. Yeah. Then recycling is on Friday. And then this other payday goes on Monday. Okay. I guess I can just use the doctor appointment stickers and then just write in what it actually was. I did some printing and cutting. I think that was Friday night. So I have a little room to add a little more washi tape. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Maybe I can use a couple of these. This washi tape is getting fairly old. I can feel that it's losing its stick. But let's see. I can just trim this off. That is the From Scratch spread on regular dot grid paper that I printed myself. I used Day of the Week washi tape from Rose Colored Days. The stickers are from CHELA Creates. The stamps for the dates are from the Happy Planner. The script stickers are from Piper Paper Company and Crafting by the Pound. And I think that's pretty much everything. The washi tape is from Michaels. Okay, so let's see about adding this to my Stalogy. And I may finish out the year this way with From Scratch spreads. We'll see. So I think I need to round the corners so that this will fit neatly. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch corner chomper from We Are Memory Keepers. So that'll go in there like that. And this one. Okay. So like this is the scary part. Let's start with this side. This side will be easier. Let's hit those edges. That's it. That's the spread. I already said where everything is from. Let me know if you prefer this type of plan with me. And also don't forget to let me know if you would like to see more craft videos, less planning videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.